So hello guys, welcome back to the Fibonacci Swings. This side Abubakar, and today we are actually analyzing of a crypto. So although I am not a crypto guy, but still I think the crypto is the most craziest thing for after Forex to do. And if you really want to build a culture, a profession, crypto is a thing which you can do. So as of now, we are in the weekly time frame of WO coin. This is a worldwide coin, and if you really want to analyze their backtest or fundamentals and backtest it, you can use TradingView for the backtest and drop step for the fundamental analysis. So I have opened the fundamental analysis on my phone. So let's begin. So it's actually the coin based on the blockchain. The blockchain platform which allow users to pass the generic message. It's a communication between the blockchains. It is used for that, and as we know, the blockchain is increasing day by day, and maybe the communication is required, maybe not, but yeah, we have required communication for the blockchains. So this token can be the good performer, and if you know how much potentially it can go, so let me tell you. So if we measure it from here, from the current level, it can really up to go about 500%, which is 525%, which is about 5x if it claims all-time highs. But let me tell you another thing. I measure this thing with some sort of divergence or deviations. So let me use that. This is standard deviations. I use it. Minus 2.5 is my target. So let's do how much percentage can really pump. So it can pump up to 6 to 7x. That means it can almost 7x your money. But before that, do your own research. So this is not a financial advice. I'm just analyzing this. Okay. So I have told you that this is a blockchain message servicing app, and it's a sixth rank in the blockchain services. And from the previous 24 hours, 71 million wormhole, 71.59 million wormhole market cap has been currently, and as of now, 835 million is a market cap of this coin. Accounting about 0.02 million market cap is the current W. About 2.75 billions are in the circulation. That means about 2.75 billion are in the circulation. So if it really wants to double the price, it's need almost 2.75 billion more to actually double the price to 0.06, sorry, 0.60, and we are expecting 7x. So 7x, that means we already need some millions and millions amount to actually double that. So it's 835 million right now, expecting 10x, so that means 8 million. So expecting 5 billion can be the market cap. So we need almost more liquidity of 4 point something billions to reach about this target. So leave that alone. So let's analyze this coin on the basis of charts. Yeah, so I was back. So as of now, the market's fundamental looks good about this W coin. So let's do analysis of these technicals. As I'm a technical guy, I majorly focus upon the technicals because charts never lie. Okay, so it's a weekly time frame of this coin. It started from here. It almost pumped almost 3500%. Let me measure again how much percent it really pumped. Yeah, it's 36%. That's a great number actually. So let's focus on these areas. So as of now, we can see price has been created some sort of support, and price has actually swept out. So this was a confirmation, like little bit of inducement to catch buyers earlys, and now what happens is price swept out these buyers and price moved down. So if you see that in the pattern is very simple, not that very complex, but yeah, it's very simple. So price down here, up, down, and it's going up. So I'm expecting it to go higher now. So now we are in the higher time frames like daily or weekly. Let's go into the daily time frame. Let's see how this liquidity sweep happens or turtle soup happens. Okay, so This is a daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see that price has swept out this. This was a liquidity sweep below, and we can see that this was a high, swing high, but it's not still broken yet, so it will use as a some sort of resistance here. This is resistance, and considering some more things, let's deep dive. This was some sort of spot which has been broken. So now what is the spot area? So this is the lower spot area. So price has took down almost two times. This was the first time when it faked out. So in the fake out, we can use it to identify there was some more of the orders which has now filled. So price has moved up. So here was this literally change in the trend. On the August 24, we can see that we have seen a very crazy move from that area. Price has actually go up, but still was not able to break this. So there was no candle close yet. So let me move this back. So this shift indicates a shift in the structure, and price has come up down here. And another thing, price has reacted with this another demand area. So now price is moving up. So what are the key resistance area for now? Let me mark out. So key area of resistance are these. So actually we see that price has closed above. Now it's retesting. So a good entry can be made here. And another area for the retest is resistance. Okay, sorry. So this is another area of resistance here. So currently we have this clean range of 0.30. How much percent range is this? About 8% range. So price need to cover that. I think tomorrow markets can be something little bit of dynamics. It can be like very odd, not like the many days, but still I think market has to become down. Not that down deep, but still in these areas so that we can really build a position. You can buy here if you see market coming down to this area. This will be your stop loss. So this will be your stop loss, and enter here and also add some position around this area. So adding position here, stop loss here, and targeting all these highs of listing 0.15. Sorry, listing high was almost above 0.86, 1.86, sorry. So you can target these. So entry will just look like that. So you can enter here, stop loss below this, and your take profit can be like very 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 low. It's 1 is to 30 entry. So now you don't need to just full margin enter, you need to wait some sort of confirmation. Let me tell you how you can do that. So for assume, so you are entering here, let's assume, so you are entering almost this area, liquidity buildup is coming up here. So this was the liquidity area, liquidity is building up here. So let's assume you about enter here, and price is going to there. So you need to add some position here, add some position here, and your stop loss will be here. So you need to enter in the break wise. Okay, so you need to enter in the breaks, like entered, price goes below DCA, price goes below DCA, price goes below, and DCA. So this process should be continued until you reach this level. And now if so price, let's assume price come up to this area and shoot above. So you can literally capture this 1 is to 20 setup. That's too much amazing. Imagine risking 1% for 42%. So 142% is really good. If you have personal portfolio, like risking 5% is like 5 tens 50. 50 is like 40,000. It's about 250, 260, 70% area. 270, that can be so good. 270% return. If you just risk 5% of your wallet, that means it's a very good return. If you really see that, it's a very good return. But the thing is, you need to risk some more. So this is now liquidity build up here. So now I'm expecting on the Sundays to price dump to this area and then start pumping it too hard. So as you know that I have taken a challenge, if Bitcoin reaches 100k before November, I would bald my head. I would just like to shave the head. So I would do that. So this is the wormhole entry. My clear bias is so much bullish because the structure is so much bullish. So why not to take according to the structure? If you see that we are in the discount, this interest need to be in the discount. Yeah, about it's in the discount area, so no need to worry about that. It's in the discount. It's in the discount. Yeah, probably it's in the discount, so no need to worry about that. We are already in the discount area, so entering in the discount, this can be the very good entry. So although this is my clear bias for W, this coin can under outperform so well. So be risk conscious and also take entries in the steps, like you're entering you entered here, price go below, add something little bit of position here, adding a little bit of position, adding, so that you can DCA. So this is how it will look. Probably it's very good coin. If you really want to invest in, you can invest. So this was my already some sort of analysis for this coin. 1 is to 42 risk to reward setup. I will use this as my clickbait title, so that people will come and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So although the technicals are all clear, this is the first area of resistance, this is second area of resistance. So this is first area resistance, this is second area, this would be like a third area. Let me copy, clone. So this is the third area, and then if it breaks these areas, then boom, it's done. 101.87, it's likely to be done, and it will add some more liquidity also here. So buyers are actually interesting. This coin is accumulating, so this coin is about to bust. So stay safe, invest according to your plan, do something analysis at your own. So this was already my bias. If I had money, I would enter, but I have no money, so why not to share? So I have shared it to you. So thank you. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.